This is Sylvia. She's been at Battle Born Batteries for 5 years and currently leads the small battery assembly team. Sylvia's job on the production line is to make sure all the batteries assembled by her team adhere to our strict quality control standards and depart the warehouse in flawless condition.
So this is the last step to our quality control to test all internal components so our customers receive the best product possible.
Outside of work, Sylvia loves spending time with her family and going on hikes. Her favorite part about work is building a quality product that she is proud to send out the door and into the hands of our customers. When you purchase your next Battle Born battery, there is a good chance it was assembled by Sylvia and her team right here in Reno, Nevada. Battle Born Batteries, safe and reliable lithium power, tailored to you.